I've already done some decks off of it. I got a fence coming up, another deck coming up. Oh, it's been great. I love it. Hello, my name's Rick, and I own a company, Skills and Tools. We build houses, fences, decks, finished basements, sunrooms, all kinds of stuff. And my relationship with Felix and Aimeazy Agency has been quite the battle, anyways. And when we first started out, I think it was about 7 months ago, he says, well, I'm going to get you some leads this week. Oh, yeah, right. Sure enough, just within a few days, he started getting me some leads. And, well, that's great. It's great. And I've already done some decks off of it, tangible results. And I got some decks and I got a fence coming up, another deck coming up off of these leads. Oh, it's been great. I love it. Anyways, we're starting to get some tangible results here, which is what's really needed, and servicing people, and with this relationship with Felix, it's been great. So anyways, we're going to continue on. We're going to rock on and get going on this and make some more leads, make some more sales. It's good. We're rocking and rolling.